Yep, that's me.
North Central Jefferson County until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Quinton or near Dora, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Avery, Trafford, West Jefferson, Warrior, Village Steam Plant, Kimberly, Morris, Partridge Crossroads, Cardiff, County Line, Graceville, Brookside, Adamsville, and Gardendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jefferson, Alabama,